Welcome to Auto News. Today we bring you Road User Safety and Security Seminar themed Combating the HYDRA-HEADED Transportation Challenges within the Lagos Metropolis and beyond. The seminar was held at the Radisson Blu Ikeja, GRA Lagos on the 3rd of August 2019. It was hosted by Daraflex Consulting Limited.
We've put together this Road User Safety and Security Seminar based on the fact that we've identified a learning gap among road users. I can assure you that all the participants that are here today have acquired loads of information and skills that in turn will change their behavior. They are going out of here as a changed person with a changed behavior, changed mindset, and a changed attitude on the road.
The event was an educative and informative gathering packed with officers from various government agencies such as LASMA, FRSC, the Police Force, VIS, and many others. The officers took turns in educating the audience on different topics that they had prepared for the event. Mr. Taiwo Ogungbenro, the convener, opened the seminar with a welcome address, after which Mr. Taiwo Bodunri, safety and security professional, began the first presentation on ethics of corporate and professional driving. He spoke on corporate ethics and attitudes while driving.
We need to ensure that we keep our drivers very well and make them proud.
That is one of the reasons why forum like this is necessary from time to sensitize people. Some of the things that these drivers do, at times they don't know that is wrong. But here we are trying to create a state where there is a lot of sanity on our road. So that is the reason why we need to have this kind of seminar.
Engineer A.G. Toriola from Lagos State Vehicle Inspection Service also gave his presentation on road design in Lagos State and how drivers can improve when it comes to security and safety.
Safer vehicle has to do with the way you maintain your vehicle, the way you register your vehicle. Even before you register that vehicle, you must ensure that that vehicle has been designed for that purpose.
The government is looking at the design of our roads now. And all over the world, you design road for all road users, like I said during my paper. And that is why the government is going back to redesign the road to accommodate everybody. And when you don't do that, you continue to have congestions on our road. You talk about non-motorized vehicles on our road. What do you mean by non-motorized vehicles? You and I, when we walk. So you must take care of those who walk, those who use bicycle, those who use motorcycle. Everybody must take care so that they can know their lane.
Also, General Manager Traffic, LASMA, Olawale Musa, spoke on the task of maintaining sanity on our roads.
The truth is, safety is dependent on us as a people. Even if we provide every facility, I will decide to drive when we have taken alcohol. We decide to overspeed. We decide not to obey the traffic officers. We begin to have issues on the road.
And Route Commander for FRSC, Mr. Oluwaseun, representing FRSC Sector Commander Igenus Umeje, also talked on measures to increase good road attitude.
The Federal Safety Corps, as you all know, was established in 1988. We are here on the road to make the road safe for everybody. We are here to educate people on how to use the road. We are here to enforce traffic, and we are also here to save lives. And some of our products, some of things that we give out to people, we enlighten people. We produce driver's license, we produce number plates, and generally we ensure that we create a safe motoring environment for all road users in Nigeria. That's what we do.
The colorful event came to an end on a learning note as all officers spoke meaningfully. That is it on Auto News. Enjoy the rest of the program.
For more information on Auto Experts, please log on to our Facebook page at Auto Expert Pro, and you can post your comments and questions there. Also, you can contact us on Twitter at Auto Expert Pro. Also, you can email us, share your thoughts with us at BeDriveGuruEntertainment@yahoo.com and AutoExpertPro@gmail.com. Have a fabulous day, guys, and live big, people.